What does it say? Ooh. Can I chew on it?
Green straw ribbon. My favorite. Oh, that tastes very good. Yuck.
What's the rest of it? What's the rest of it, Tyler? Oh. Ready? Oh. Tyler?
More plastic toys. Yay!
Noise.
Noisy plastic toys. Perfect.
They're cloth.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
They have mirrors.
A mirror. Who's that? Oh, they're well taped. We'll have to get into that one later, Tyler. I guess we know that nobody's gotten into these before you.
That's right.
The people who put them in the packaging.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, it's a yellow one. It's crinkly. Oh, that's crinkly.
You'll probably actually have a lot of fun with those. Can I chew on them? Oh, yeah. Perfect. Ooh, that's clever.
Hold this one, Tyler.
Ribbit.
Whoa.
Does that actually smell like strawberries?
I don't think so. It's just red. Red like strawberries. It's a cardinal. We don't have those in Alaska. Ooh. I think this one. Where'd it go? You gonna pull on it? It's your very own lever.
Taking a while to figure that one out. Oh, fascinating.